Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this A1 course, lesson 5, we are going to learn about to-be verb of Deutsche Language, which is also known as Verb Sein in German. We will be learning about nominative case of first, second and third person with singular and plural forms, which is very important at the time of learning German. I'm your mentor, Joseph Volt will be with you, and together we will try to learn. So, let's start. At the beginning, we have first person, singular number of nominative case. In English, we say I am, and in German, we say ich bin. And we have some examples for this. The first one is I am a boy. In German we say ich bin ein Junge. Please repeat after me. Ich bin ein Junge. Here a means ein and boy means Junge. And the second example is I am 20 years old. In German we say ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Here 20 means 20, years mean Jahre, and old mean alt. Now we are moving to our next page. And we have first person plural number. And in English we say wir. And in German we say wir sind. For example, we can say we are boys. And in German we say wir sind Jungs. Here boys means Jungs. And the next example is we are happy. In German we say wir sind glücklich. Here happy means glücklich. Now we are moving to our next page of second person, singular number. In English we say Uwah, which is equivalent to du bist, and it is informal way of conversation. And please note, this form is used at the time of talking to a person whom you know very well and he is or she is familiar to you. So, for example, we can say you are clever. And in German we say du bist schlau. The next example, you are not bad, which is equivalent to du bist nicht schlecht. Here not means nicht and bad means slashed. Now we are moving to our next page, and it is also Uwah. In formal way we say Sie sind. And please note that at the time of talking to a person which is respected or unknown to you, you have to use the formal way of conversation like with Sie sind. And for example, we can say you are my teacher, and we all know we always talk formally to our teachers. And in German we say Sie sind mein Lehrer. Here teacher means Lehrer. The next example is you are a hero. So in German we say Sie sind ein Held. Here Held means hero. Now we are moving to second person plural number. In English we say you are, as it is more than one or plural number, so I have added all to make it clear to you. You are, and in German we say ihr seid. For example, we can say, you were girls. You were girls. In German, we say, ihr seid Mädchen. Ihr seid Mädchen. Here, girls means Mädchen, which is in plural form. And the next example is, you are boys. You are boys. In German, which means, ihr seid Jungs. Ihr seid Jungs. That's the end of second person. And now we are moving to third person. And in singular number we get he is, which is equivalent to German er ist, er ist. For example, we can say, he is a boy, he is a boy. And in Deutsch we say, er ist ein Junge, er ist ein Junge. And the next example is, he is very clever. He is very clever. And in German we say, er ist sehr schlau. Er ist sehr schlau. Here very means sehr, sehr, and clever means schlau, schlau. Now we are moving to our next page, and here we get she is, which means sie ist, sie ist. For example, she is beautiful, she is beautiful. In German we say, sie ist schön, sie ist schön. Here beautiful means schön. And the next one is, she is 20 years old, she is 20 years old. In German we say, sie ist 20 Jahre alt, sie ist 20 Jahre alt. Now we move to our next page. Here we get it is, which means es ist, es ist. For example, we can say, it is clean, it is clean. And in German we say, es ist sauber, es ist sauber. Here clean means sauber. Our next example is, it is not big, it is not big. In German we say, es ist nicht groß. Here big means groß. And that's the end of third person singular number. Now we are moving to third person plural number. And here we get der, der. In German we say, sie sind, sie sind. You will notice that sie is used at the time of she and they. Therefore, you have to differentiate between the words from the context of our writing. Here we get the example of they are clever, they are clever. In German we say, sie sind schlau, sie sind schlau. The next example is, they are clean, they are clean. In German we say, sie sind sauber, sie sind sauber. And with this we have completed first person, second person and third person with singular and plural number. And now we are going to have a final revision of our lesson today. I am, ich bin ein Junge, I am a boy. Wir sind die Jungs, we are boys. You, informal, du bist schlau, you are clever. You, formal. Sie sind ein Lehrer, you are a teacher. You all, ihr seid Ihr seid Mädchen. You are girls. He is. Er ist. Er ist sauber. He is clean. She is. Sie ist. Sie ist schön. She is beautiful. It is. Es ist. Es ist sauber. It is clean. Der. Sie sind. Sie sind schlau. They are clever. And that's the end for today. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then please check it from the end screen and from the description too. I hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Please subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss!